Today's hero? The fire truck. Boing, boing, ready for action. Oh no, there's a fire. Nina, Nina, emergency dispatch. Let's put out the fire. Whoosh. Oh, so dirty. Time to get clean. Sploosh. Who's this? The police car. Boing, boing, warming up for patrol. Uh-oh, it's a thief. Stop that thief. Whew, whew. Freeze, you're under arrest. Mission complete. Let's get shiny again. Does anyone need help? The ambulance. Boing, boing, a gentle warm-up. Oh dear, there's been an accident. Are you okay? We're on our way. Heave-ho! You're safe now. Covered in mud. It's bath time. Hey kids, time for school. The school bus. Wiggle, wiggle. This is fun. The kids are waiting. Vroom, vroom. Let's go get our friends. We're here. Everyone arrived safely. Great job today. Time for a wash. Let's clean the city. The garbage truck. Thump, thump, full of power. Yikes, the street is a mess. All right, let's start cleaning. I'll eat it all. Num num. Ah, so refreshing. All clean.
In the backyard, bright and sunny day. Open up the toy box, time to come and play. 5 little heroes ready for the call, standing by to help out one and all. Vroom, 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 the engine starts to roar. Beep, 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 we're heading out the door. Flashing lights and sirens, hear a happy sound. The best toy friends in the whole backyard town. First up is the fire truck, shiny red and bright.
Oh no, a little toy house, a flickering orange light.
Ladder up and water sprays, a whoosh and a splash.
Puts the fire out now in a single dash.
Vroom, 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 the engine starts to roar. Beep, 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 we're heading out the door. Flashing lights and sirens, hear a happy sound. The best toy friends in the whole backyard town. Here comes the police car in blue and purest white.
A little toy thief is running with all of his might.
Chasing down the pathway, weeble, weeble, go!
Blocks the way and saves the day, a hero's happy glow.
Vroom, 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 the engine starts to roar. Beep, 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 we're heading out the door. Flashing lights and sirens, hear a happy sound. The best toy friends in the whole backyard town. The ambulance is gentle, the school bus is so kind.
Helping falling toys up, leaving no one behind.
The garbage truck is hungry, munching trash with glee.
Making our whole backyard clean for you and me.
The busy day is over, the sun is getting low. Time to wash the dust off with a bubbly flow. Clean and park together, shining in a row. Good night, our backyard heroes, ready for tomorrow. Good night, everyone. So sad.
Yeah! Yeehaw! Whoops. Wow, look at me go! Oh no, kerplunk! Yippee! Ay, ay, ay! My turn! Squish, squash, squish, squash! Oh dear, all the friends are stuck in the big muddy puddle. Don't worry, I'm here to help. Let's get you all out of there. Up we go. Look at that! Now let's get you all cleaned up. Time for a swim. Yee-haw! Splash! Woohoo! Kersplash! Wow! Big splash! Yeah! Whee! Was that fun? The big tow truck is here to pull you all out. Heave ho! Be careful! Careful! Whoopsie! Yee-haw! Uh-oh! Splash! Let's do this! And plop! Me too! Whoops! Yee-haw! Uh-oh! Look! A giant car carrier is here to save the day! Everybody on board! Let's get you all loaded up safely. Oh, you're all muddy again. Time for a nice shower. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Let's get you all clean and shiny. Wow, look at you now. Good as new. What a fun day. See you next time, friends. Yay, a big muddy puddle. This is so much fun. Huh? Oh no, my wheels are stuck. Push, push, but I can't move at all. Somebody, help me, please.
Don't worry, Blue Truck. We'll help you out. Leave it to us, the brave Tractor Brothers. A little mud is no problem for us.
Wow, thank you so much. You're amazing.
Come on, let's pull together. Heave ho! Heave ho!
We did it. Thanks, my tractor friends. Out of the way! Here comes the king of the gravel road, the mighty cement mixer. Whoa! A giant rock! Boom! Ouch! My head! Oh no! I'm stuck between the rocks. What should I do?
Time to roll out again. Woohoo! A friend in trouble is a friend we must help. 1, 2, 3, pull!
Yay! I'm free! You really are the best rescue team ever! Time to pick up the kids! Beep, beep! What a fun school day! Oh my! A giant tree has fallen across the road! I can't get through like this!
Don't worry, Mr. School Bus. We'll help you out. Just wait a moment. We'll lift this heavy tree and move it aside. Heave ho!
Thank you, brave tractor friends!
Yay! Now let's all drive together. I'm going to be first. It feels like flying in the sky. It's a race. Let's go! Woohoo!
Oh no, help me, I can't play. Okay, tractor saves the day. Oh no, help me, what can I do? Okay, tractor rescues you. School bus, oh no, help me, I'm stuck right here. Okay, tractor pulls with cheers.
Oh my goodness, look at this sleepy construction crew. They look like they've been playing in a dust storm. First up, Mr. Dump Truck. It's bath time for you. Splish splash. Wow, look at that transformation. All right, clean and ready for work. We've got a delivery to make. Let's load her up with sand. Vroom, vroom, careful around the bend. Vroom, vroom, off we go down the road. Time to tip it out. Great job, dump truck. Who's next for a dip? It's the mighty excavator. Swish, swish, swish. Look at that. You're not dirty anymore. You're a super sunny yellow. Time to get digging. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Let's make a big pile. Now let's load it up. What a powerful digger. Now it's the tanker truck's turn. Let's wash all that grime away. From dusty green to even shinier green. Looking good. Oh, the pretty flowers look so thirsty. Here comes the tanker to the rescue. Shh. A nice cool drink for the garden. The flowers are so happy. Wee-oo, wee-oo. It's the fire truck. Splash. Wow, now that's what I call fire engine red. All clean and ready to save the day. Oh no, there's a fire. Quick, fire truck, to the house. Ladder up, 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 and whoosh. Phew, you put the fire out. Hooray! Last but not least, Mr. Bulldozer. He's been working hard. Into the water you go. Look at him shine. There's something blocking the road. Time for the bulldozer to clear the way. Push, push, push. All clear. Great work. Look at the whole team, all clean and ready for a new adventure. Let's go, team. Vroom, vroom, off they go. Bye-bye, cars.
What do you see? It's a fire truck. Fire truck, yay! What do you see? It's a dump truck. Dump truck, yay! What do you see? It's an excavator. Excavator, yay! What do you see? It's a bulldozer. Bulldozer, yay! What do you see? It's a water truck. Water truck, yay!